Hello everyone, I hope you are doing well. Today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of Hello app. We click on settings, then we click on apps, default apps, app settings. Here in this list we will search about the application of Hello app. In this page of app info we click on first stop and we click OK. After that we'll enter to storage. Then we click on clear cache. Then you will turn on your airplane mode and you will turn off your airplane mode again to fix that problem. So that's all. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time and thank you for your watching and your attention.